everyone, and welcome back to Travel Tip Tuesday with the Travel Mug podcast. I am Jen, and I am joined by my podcast partner, Megan. How's it going, Megan?
Things are well. How are you?
Pretty good. So, at the beginning of this year, when we were talking about what we were going to do in 2025, I mentioned that I might, or I was planning to, let the travel deals lead me this year. And I'm going to admit that this was harder than I thought it was going to be. I mean, I pictured just like seeing a great flight deal and booking it. But Megan, what is a great flight deal is the question.
I think it's a fine question.
This is the hardest part. Like, honestly, obviously, like a $500 flight to one location is a crazy deal, or it could be like completely, totally expensive. It completely depends on where it is. So there's a couple tools that you can use that I've been using. I like Google Flights. They have a little like bar chart that shows you what the normal range of prices are for that particular flight. I do have trust issues with it. I'm not sure how correct it is. I don't know. Anyway, there's also services or websites that email you flight deals. I already get so many emails that I found this really overwhelming. Like I did sign up for a few. And like my inbox has over 1,000 unread emails in it. And I like truly, Megan is shaking her head at me for this.
Those words are so anxiety inducing. I can't even explain it to you. I would have to just go to the top, hit the one thing that covers every email and just hit the little trash can and call it a day.
Some of them.
Like you worry about getting up on a plane, but not the fact that you have 1,000 unread emails.
I think it was 1,200
Oh,
when I last looked.
No, I can't even. I can't even. But do carry on.
I'm sorry. Anyway, I don't need any more emails. Honestly, what I've learned over the last few months is of like constantly looking at flight deals is when you see a price you're happy with to a place that you're interested in, that's a deal. Like just take it.
Is the deal.
That's it. I don't know what else to tell you. Because constantly obsessing over the prices gets really overwhelming. And it's happened to us a couple of times where we've seen a flight price that we were happy with to somewhere that we were interested in, like Dublin, and we like wobbled on it and didn't pull the trigger because we're like, what if it gets less expensive? And like that's a crazy way to live, and you can't do it like that. And then I also feel like my idea of a deal is skewed. Like, I don't know what year I think it is because I'm like,
is it 1995 or 2025?
Like, oh, aren't I going to get a flight to Dublin for $300? Like, no, Jen, you're not. It's not going to happen. And I don't think they're as common in Canada, right? Like, our airlines are way more expensive than other places, and those types of deals just don't exist for us. They just don't.
Agreed.
Anyway, all of this to say, Megan, I'm not sure this method of booking travel is for me.
I never for a second thought it was. I'm gonna be super honest. I loved that it was a fresh new year and you thought, you know what? I'm just gonna let the prices guide me and end up where they take me. And I thought, no, you're not.
No, you're not. Oh, okay. Well, apparently you knew me better than I knew myself.
But I was like, but I would love to be proved wrong, and I've waited until this moment.
And here we are in April, and we've put in
I have nothing
absolute
booked.
Paralyzed by this. Yeah. I mean, we did book. We are going to Ottawa and
Yes.
Montreal in June, and that wasn't really our original plan, obviously. But it's anyway. That's what we're doing. I don't know what we're doing for the rest of the year. I don't know, man. I don't know where I am.
I don't know what we're doing either, honestly. So this is a very off travel year for you and I, for sure.
Yeah.
I know you're also going north though, so that's very exciting. So there's that. Yeah. You do have that. Now, my thoughts around all of this is I've never sort of like followed the deals. Don't get me wrong. I'm not looking to pay the most either. So I'm not saying it in that way, but I've never thought I'll take whatever's cheapest to go wherever. So that's not something. So normally when we want to go somewhere, we know where we go and we don't like the price and then we pay for it. You know what I mean?
Yes. Right.
That is usually how we do it. No, don't get me wrong. If someone is able to do this and the day comes even you're able to do this, I think it's awesome because
Mhm.
it doesn't always have to be so written in stone, but you're also right. Like you don't want to pull the trigger sometimes because there's always that thing in your mind where you're like, what if it becomes cheaper? It's like gambling. It's like, what if I win the next time? And it's kind of the same idea, but you're right.
Uh-huh.
Like, if there's a good price that you're okay with, you're never going to be truly happy because everything is too expensive. But if it's a price you're okay with and a place you're interested, like we said, that is your deal. Thank you.
Yeah,
Buy it.
that's it. That's it. Check mark.
Have a
Just
safe trip. I don't,
that's it.
yeah. So
All
that's
right.
definitely the deal.
Cool. Well, that's this week's episode. That's all I got. Let us know if you have an amazing tip for finding travel deals. Obviously, I don't know what I'm doing. You can find us on social media at Travel Mug Podcast or on our website, travelmugpodcast.com. You can support the show through Buy Me a Coffee or by leaving us a review on Apple Podcasts or Spotify. And until next time, I'll see you later.
Bye.